Step 1. Take out your mobile phone. Step 2. Scan a QR code. Step 3. Get paid real money for scanning QR codes. So the name of this website is... Yes, you can get paid up to $800 by just scanning QR codes. And today, I will show you 2 best methods that you have never heard before to make money with QR codes, just like you are seeing on the screen right now. So like this video, and let's start with the first method of making money with QR codes. That is, to get paid for scanning QR codes, or barcodes. And for this, we can use the 7 best websites that pay you money to scan QR codes. You guys must have heard of these websites before, but today, we will use them for just getting paid for scanning QR codes or barcodes. Starting with first website is called as swagbucks.com. As you can see, put cash back in your wallet. So Swagbucks is a website where you get cash back for the shopping you do at your favorite stores. Of course, even if you do offline shopping at Walmart or at Best Buy, you can get a cash back for that by just scanning QR codes and receipts of your shopping. Now we have to admit one thing, all of us do both online shopping on different websites and offline shopping at our local stores. We buy electronics, we buy groceries, clothes, healthcare products, and much more. The good thing is that Swagbucks will pay you cash back for shopping all of these items. So, you can get a cash back for buying clothes, for buying electronics, or when you buy groceries. As you can see, we can get cash back directly to our PayPal account for shopping at our favorite retailers like Amazon and Walmart. And for doing that, all you have to do is to scan the barcodes, QR codes, and the purchasing receipts of your products. And you can get a cash back anywhere between 2% to 10%. Now if you join Swagbucks, you can get $10 sign-up bonus for completely free. Now the second website is known as inboxdollars.com. You can see that they also pay cash back for your shopping. So, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that you can earn cash for grocery shopping. You can get access to great cash back deals for purchasing your favorite supermarket products. And you can earn money by scanning your receipts. So, all you need to do is scan your receipts or QR codes on your receipts to get cash back from Inbox Dollars also. Inbox Dollars has recently integrated a barcode scanner, so you can use it to scan the barcodes and can get money in return. You can get up to 5 cents for every barcode you scan. Again, you can get paid for shopping from your favorite stores such as eBay, Starbucks, etc. And right now, Inbox Dollars is giving $5 sign-up bonus for their new users, which you can avail for free. So the third website is NCP Panel, or National Consumer Panel. On NCP Panel, you can get paid for scanning QR codes wherever you find one. You can scan barcodes at home, at grocery store, or anywhere else you find them. You can see the image on the screen right now, depicting how to scan the barcodes or QR codes to get cash back on NCP Panel. Here also, you can find best deal to spend at Target, Amazon, and other best retailers out there. Now the fourth website is known as Ibotta.com. So here also, you can get easy cash back everywhere you shop. They make it easy, fast, and safe to save big money shopping. And if you are new to Ibotta, if you spend your first $30 after sign up to Ibotta, you will earn $10 of cash back bonus, which is really awesome. And you can get up to 30% cash back at thousands of top retailers like Best Buy, eBay, Walmart, etc. by just scanning barcodes on the receipts of your items. And you can even link your credit card or store loyalty card for even greater savings. And the fifth website is Fetch.com. Actually, this is a mobile app that you can download to your iOS or Android device. As you can see, saving has never been so fun. Here also on Fetch.com, you will get paid to scan QR codes, barcodes, and the receipts of your items. You can use Fetch rewards with just about any itemized receipt you get, including the ones from your weekly trip to the grocery store. And you can receive the payouts as a gift cards, or even as Visa cards. So all you need to do is just scan the QR codes, barcodes, or receipts of your items, for which you will get points. You can even shop with the personalized offers available to you, and you can cash out your earnings. It's as simple as that. Now the sixth website is ReceiptHog.com. So here you get rewarded every time you shop. And you can clearly see they pay you in your Visa card, through Amazon gift cards, or directly to your PayPal account. And all you need to do is shop at any store in person or online. Upload the QR code, barcode, or digital receipt into the app, and earn rewards and cash back for the same. And this is the best thing about Receipt Hog, that they let you shop in any store and with any brand you like. So it doesn't need to be Target, Instacart, or Hershey's only. You can shop at any store or buy any brand items, and you can still earn cash back and rewards for your shopping. Now the seventh and the best website on our list is Shopkick.com. Shopkick is also an app which you can download to your Android or iOS device. If you scroll down, you will see some of the most popular brands that have partnered up with Shopkick. So these are some of the partner stores: Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, Sephora, Best Buy, etc. And the reason why this is the best app for making money by scanning QR codes is because you can get paid for just walking into their partner store and scanning the QR codes or barcodes of a few products off the shelves. You don't even need to buy anything. Just scan the QR codes or the barcodes of the items and you will earn some rewards for that. So next time you order a coffee in Starbucks or you are shopping on Amazon, you can use any or all of these 7 websites to scan QR codes, barcodes, and receipts of the items you buy, and you can easily make $800 to $1,000 in cash back. Now the second best method to make money with QR codes is by drop servicing QR codes. And if you don't know what drop servicing is a business model where you sell digital services to clients and outsource the work to freelancers, agencies, contractors, rather than doing it yourself. So basically in drop servicing business model, you get the orders from the clients and you outsource the work to others rather than doing it yourself. So you keep the profits after paying your freelancers or agencies who actually did all of the work. But don't worry, you don't need to hire any freelancers or pay anything to any agencies. The method I am going to reveal you today, you can do it for completely free, and you will keep all the profits even after outsourcing the work to different websites. Let me show you how much you can earn with this. So, if you come over to Fiverr.com and search for QR code in the search bar and press enter, you can see all these Fiverr gigs selling services of creating a QR code for businesses and individuals, ranging from $5 to $100 for each QR code they create. And you can see that they have got 1,000 orders on their gig, which means they have already made $100,000 by just selling QR codes on Fiverr. And you can find unlimited gigs on Fiverr that have made over $40,000, over $50,000 by just selling QR codes on Fiverr. And with the method I am going to reveal you today, you don't need any technical skills for that. And within just 5 to 10 seconds, you can create amazing looking QR codes with it. So for this, I want you to come over to qrcodegenerator.com. QR Code Generator is a free website where you can generate different amazing looking QR codes for businesses, individuals, social media account, and many more. If you scroll down, you will see that you can create QR codes for business card, flyers, brochures, etc. Also, the QR codes you will create will look very amazing, and that's all for free. Now to show you how powerful this thing is, you can see, you can create a QR code for any website or URL link, for any V-card to save your details, for requesting Bitcoin payments, sharing your Twitter ID, sharing your Facebook ID, and even for sharing any PDF document or any images. Now first of all, I want you to log into this website by simply using your Google account. So now for example, if I want to create a QR code for my channel, what I need to do is just copy my YouTube channel URL from the above bar. Come back to this website, select website option from there, and press next. And simply paste my channel URL right here, and press next again. Now on this page, I can change the frame color code to something that matches the color theme of my page. That is, to dark green color. I can also change the scan me text, written over here, to anything I want. Then, I can change the frame style of my QR code to something that I like. You can see the different styles available here, but I like this one the most, so I am going with it. You can also change the QR code appearance from here. You can try the one you like from here. Then the most important thing, you can add your logo to your QR code, which will make your logo more attractive, and it will help you to do the branding effectively. So, once your QR code is ready, you can just click where it says download, and it will be downloaded to your computer. So you can see our CashPro channel QR code here, and if we scan this code, it will take us to CashPro channel. You can try to scan it if you want to, and let me know in the comments section, does this work or not? Now you know how to create an attractive QR code using this website for completely free. So to earn money with this, all you have to do is create a Fiverr gig related to QR code for free on Fiverr. Write a catchy title of your gig and start selling your QR code service to hundreds of thousands of clients on Fiverr. You can easily charge between $10 to $80 for each QR code you create. Even if you get 10 clients on Fiverr, which is very easy to get, you will be making anywhere between $100 to $800 with this drop servicing business model. You will get clients from Fiverr, and you will just outsource the QR code creation work to the website. And this is exactly how we do the drop servicing. If you want me to create more videos related to drop servicing and drop shipping, just let me know in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching.